wasn't on the wall, but boss told me he put my times into the system at least. So I just left. I looked, before I left, so I can know what they would be. Since normally it'd be 6 or 7 for dishes, but 1 today, as I said, 6 tomorrow, and then 7 the next 2 days. Or maybe Wednesday, 7:30. I forget, I'll have to look again. Alright, thanks for watching. You got this car. Well, that algorithm. Hello, I'm back again. Wasn't I facing the video? Probably. Didn't look. I was just checking to see that the mic was still coming up, and it was as I hit the shutter. Oh, sorry about that. Forgot about that little bump. Go up this hill. Come on. Why do you hate me? What should I have for lunch? Oh wait, no, this isn't going up today. Ignore that. It's gonna open in 3 days. It'll be like 3 or 4 days, so that won't help. Plus, it'll probably go up after around the time I have lunch. Also unhelpful. Ooh, okay. I can get into this one. Hoping work isn't too crazy. It's only a 7-hour shift. It's just 1 to 8 p.m. It just depends if it's catering or not. I'm guessing so. I think Saturday is the first meal for the students, but also could be today. Forgot to ask on Friday before I left, or check on the wall, or do both. So yeah, I guess I'll see when I get in there. Because usually when they come back, since I've worked there, when the first meal back is only 1 meal. So, depending on what's needed, come in a little later than we usually might, depending on who's working in there, what their position is. So in that way, we have what we need before and after they come for the meal. Boy. What is that? It's okay, it's okay. Sorry about that again. Very slow-paced ride, but I don't really care. Just want to get out before I got lazy. I probably would have just stayed in bed all morning, or almost all morning, and just made the excuse to rest since I rode like 14 to 16 miles yesterday, somewhere in there. I think 16, maybe 15 and a half, something like that. It was almost 10 for the second ride. Well, no, yeah. It was a little over 10 for the second ride. I just didn't have it I forgot to turn my computer back on the way home. So it's almost 2 miles, a little under 2 miles on the way back. So 11 or 12-ish for that ride. And then the first ride was 6 miles, so maybe 16, 17, depending on the point, however many, 0.7, point all that. That's the uncertainty. What? And the guy's like, waiting, boy. What's it happen? Say it all the time. Caramba. Maybe. Almost home. I need to take a water cycling in. Maybe we'll do it on Friday or Thursday. Don't work Friday, but I'm supposed to get off at 11 on Thursday. Supposed to. Depends. It's never me. Depends on if it's a catering day or not. Not always the best. Mostly because they don't ever tell what time. At least everyone likes to work with me, so if they remember, they'll ask me when I'm supposed to leave. Or at least scheduled to. But yeah, can't really control what happens when there's a catering event because they have their cleanup time. But whenever they can, they will bring down anything that they can to us. So then that way at least we don't have to do everything all at once. But that's also not always a guarantee. It just depends on if they have the time to bring down everything but the plates and cups. Sometimes they bring those down if there's enough, if they have them. But anything else that we would wash, platters and stuff, holders, trays, anytime they can bring those down as soon as possible, it helps. But in theory, since it's only 7 to 11, 7 a.m. to 11 a.m., it maybe just breakfast catering, I guess. I would assume. Now I should have looked to see if the menu was up after I checked my hours. Schedule wasn't on the wall, but boss told me he put my times into the system at least. So I just left. I looked, before I left, so I can know what they would be. Since normally it'd be 6 or 7 for dishes, but 1 today, as I said, 6 tomorrow, and then 7 the next 2 days. Or maybe Wednesday, 7:30. I forget, I'll have to look again. Alright, thanks for watching. You got this car. do all that algorithm fun. It does help. Alrighty. See you in the next one. Toodaloo. Bye.